what are the characteristics of an abstract class? An abstract class. See, this is the core in any programming language, especially in the object-oriented programming language. The abstract classes have to be implemented. You cannot instantiate it. You cannot make object of it. That is the inheritance defeats all the concept of objects. But abstract class, it is the basic concept of object-oriented programming. So abstract class is a class that is declared as abstract. So you have to put the keyword. So it cannot be instantiated. That means you cannot make an object for this abstract class. That is, I'm making a class and say the class is A. And now this class A, I can make the object of this class, right? Inside main A, I can do obj1 or like that. So I can make an object for any class. Abstract, we cannot make the object. Object cannot be made. Because why to make the object? The abstract class has no implementation. It is just telling you that I am there, you have to implement me. You have to execute me, means you have to put the code inside your derived class. So that is how inheritance becomes better there. So here you see the abstract, this is the keyword. So this shape class is an abstract class, and inside that we have two abstract, right? We have two abstract, and there are two functions which are defined as abstract, which is area and toString. So this abstract class should have at least one abstract function. That also I am going to tell you. But the main thing is, when you make the derived classes, then the thing comes that you are not going away from the object-oriented paradigm, because now you just have the template and now you have to implement whatever is given in the abstract class. There is no function definition. I'll tell you one more thing. This is about Java. So we have, when you write a class can have any name, but the type should be abstract in order to make an abstract class. So you have to use the modifier abstract on a class header to declare an abstract class. The abstract class is a placeholder in a class hierarchy that represents a generic concept, and you have to implement that concept. Okay. Whichever class is inheriting, for example, we have an add function inside this vehicle. So that class which is inheriting should implement this add. There will be no implementation of add in the abstract. You have to do it when you inherit it. I hope you got the idea. So you just tell what needs to be done. You don't tell how to be done. That is done by the derived class. So instantiation cannot be done. It must be inherited. The abstract class has to be inherited. The abstract class can have both abstract and non-abstract method. If you see here, we have two abstract methods and one data member and this. And as I said, you must declare at least one abstract class in the abstract class to make an abstract. It is always public. Why it is being made? So that it can be inherited. So it will always be public. It is declared using the abstract. So the purpose of the abstract class is to provide a common definition of the base class that multiple derived class can share. Okay. So this is all about a template, a generic class, a generic concept, and this is a good inheritance, and it does not go away, or it does not, we can say, bog down the whole purpose of the object-oriented programming language, right? So abstract class is a very powerful thing, and I just encourage you to always use the abstract class. So now this add, if two classes are say inheriting, one can write some other implementation like I'm showing. I'm just giving you a very vague example. So every class which is deriving can have different implementation.